So today we will be making a Lego infinity cube, and what's cool about this is that it can open up and you can repeat the same pattern over and over again. So say you're like really bored at school and stuff, you can just take this out and fidget around with it. I found that I can literally fidget around with this for like 30 minutes. It's like so fun and addicting. So today I'll show you how to build this. So let's go. For this fidget cube you will need these pieces. You'll need 8 of these 2x2 tiles. The color does not matter. You'll need 8 of these upside down brackets, 2x2 upside down brackets. Again, the color does not matter. You'll need 8 of these 1x2 plates. Color does not matter. This is the most important piece. You'll need 8 of these hinges, and then you'll need 24 of these 1x2 pieces. So those are the pieces needed for the fidget cube. So now let's build it. First, to build this infinity cube, what you'll want to do is you'll want to get your bracket and you'll want to put 2 1x2 pieces on it. Like so. So put this on all 8 of your brackets. Do the same thing on all 8 of your brackets. So now, as you can see, I have done with this with all of my 8 brackets. All of them have 2 1x2 pieces on them. So now let's move on to the next step. Now what you'll want to do is you'll want to get 4 of your brackets with 1x2 pieces on them, and then get 2 of them and place it like this. So this lines up with this. So then what you'll do is you'll get a 1x2 plate and you'll put it on this side. And then get a hinge and then point it downwards from the direction the bracket is facing. So in this case, this is pointing up. So I'll have to point the bracket down, the hinge down. So place it downwards, like I said. So now, as you see, we'll have the basic moving function of the cube. And don't leave the video right now. You are far from done. This is just one simple part of it. So now what you want to do is you'll want to mirror the same thing on this, but you want to do it the opposite way. You put the hinge, again, facing the opposite direction from what the bracket is facing up to, so down again. And then you'll place this like this. So now, as you can see, we have 2 mirroring pieces. Then what you'll want to do is you'll want to get a hinge piece and place it like this. So like this, see? Got the basic moving function. So you'll want to make another one of these, and I'll see you when you make another one. So now you should have completed 2 of these modules like this. So what you want to do is you want to turn them around until they are in this orientation, like this. So I'm gonna do that. This orientation. Now what you want to do is get 2 hinge pieces and connect these up like this. So now, as you can see, we have a functioning fidget cube. But what you want to do is you want to get the remaining 1x2 tiles and just cover the whole thing up to make it look nicer. So now it doesn't have any holes in it and looks like a cube. So these parts, I've already covered that up. The center, you want to use 2x2 pieces to cover it up. So I've covered that up. And these edges right here, you want to use 1x2 pieces, because if you use 2x2 pieces, I'll show you, it doesn't move. So you want to use 1x2 pieces here. Same thing with this side. On these sides, you want to use 2x2s on the corner and 1x2s in the insides. And same thing on the other side. So now, as you can see, we have the fully functioning fidget cube that I showed you earlier in the video. See, I can't even stop using it right now.